Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a LookFantastic unboxing for you, and it came rather quickly this time, which is very amazing. First off though, I have to say that in the last video you saw that I had ear piercings, and now they're out. The reason is, this ear got so infected, oh my god, it was red and swollen and itchy and it was so painful. And I thought, you know, maybe put some ice on it, and that made it even worse. So I removed the earring. It's still hurting a little, it's still a bit red, but it's not as painful. Oh my god, it was so bad. And this one, I did it wrong anyway, so it was way too close to the edge. It didn't look good, so I just took them out. Which is sad, because I was very happy about them. But it's not worth the pain. Anyways, let's open this up. And I feel like it's not as well packed as the others, because, you know, there's a lot of sliding around. Ooh! So obviously March is where you have International Women's Day, so yay! Okay, let's open it up. And inside says, "There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise." A woman, and then you write woman with E. So it's either a woman with an A or then woman determined to rise. And that, you know what I mean? English is not my first language, but that much I know. Girl power. Okay. See, I told you this is not packed nicely. Look at that. Again, I can't see much because I don't have glasses on. Wow. You have this filling here, and there's literally nothing on the filling. It's all in the box itself. Also, there's no leaflet. Oh, now I have to go to the internet again. Like, I wish, I mean, obviously I'm not working there, but I wish it was more consistent. You know? I mean, this does not look pleasing to the eye, if you know what I mean. I saw this and I want to use it. Okay. So this is by Brushworks, the double-ended brow brush. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, by the way, this is what it looks like. Ooh. So you have the normal brush here, and then you have the spoolie on this, which is crooked. Is that normal? Okay. And you have the spoolie over here. So this is the double-ended brow brush and doesn't have a number. Very excited for that. Not that I have used a lot of brow products lately. I haven't filled my brows in months. But this will come in very handy. That's nice. Oh yeah, I have to read about it. Hold on. So this is obviously a full size. A dual-ended eyebrow brush to help you achieve the perfect brow with every use. The angle brush works well with both cream and powder products to help you create natural brushstroke hair, whilst the spoolie end is great to brush through any product and create a fluffy, more feathered brow look. Then we have this. Polar. Ooh, yes, nice. Hydrating cream. Moisturizing cream with iceberg water. Apply to a clean face and neck, so it's like a face cream. And I'm going to open it up because I have one face cream left, so I feel like I can't open it and justify this. So just white. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It smells like a hand cream. Oh my god, I love it. That smells so good. Moisturizing mask. Huh? I think they got it wrong here on the app. A cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. Combining 3 active ingredients, this face mask nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. I don't think this is a mask, this is just a normal face cream. I'm a little confused, but I think it's just a normal face cream. Okay, then we have this. Ooh, Ahava Dead Sea Mud Mineral Mud Soap. Ooh, let's see what it looks like. It smells a tiny bit like Honey I Wash the Kids from Lush. Oh, this is nice. Oh my god. So, mineral mud soap. Mud soap for body. Ooh. Removes all impurities and refreshes the skin. Lather and rinse. Ah. I thought it was for your face, so it's like a shower gel. Shower gel. I'm very intrigued by that. This is a full size. A purifying soap suitable for use on both the face and body. Ooh. Oh, nice, I love it. Formulated to wash away dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its necessary moisture. Ooh, oh, this is gonna be great. This is like a 2-in-1 product. When you're in the shower, you just wash your face and your body and you're done. Oh, I love it. Oh, I cannot wait for that one. I'm actually making my box a little more presentable than it is. We should talk about this, because this is the fancy item. This is the Christopher Robin Wait, English? We don't. Regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh, it's like a high-end hair salon. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. Oh god. I think we had this one before. Either we had it in a beauty box or I had it as a sample from Sephora. But I definitely had this one. A revitalizing hair treatment perfect for dry and damaged hair. Full of antioxidant and regenerative properties that penetrate your hair and scalp. Protecting your hair from split ends and breakage, as well as treating colored hair by restoring pigment to leave it looking vibrant and healthy. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. That's like one of those high-end brands that always work well, you know what I mean? Like, so I'm a cheapskate, as you know. Like, I don't really like paying that much money for a simple product, but sometimes you see where the money goes, you know, like sometimes high-end brands and products actually work better than the cheap ones. Not always, but most of the time. Ooh, what is this? An eyeliner, a retractable eyeliner. Oh, cruelty-free and vegan. Oh god, I love it already. Lottie London, AM to PM in black. I don't have a retractable eyeliner left. Remember back in the days where I had like 5 of them? And now I only have one liquid liner, and that's it. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice and smooth. Oh god, I love it. Jeez, quite. I had to sneeze. It's you know, it's almost spring outside and hay fever is coming, and it's not nice. This is a full size, obviously. A pencil eyeliner with a gel finish to add drama and definition to your eye makeup look. With a formula that will glide effortlessly over the eyes, avoiding any pull or discomfort. Complete with a retractable sharpener to keep the liner in tip-top condition. Oh my god, see? At the back, like there's a sharpener. Oh, nice, I love it. Cannot wait to use that one. Because it's been, like I said, I don't have one left. So it's been a long time since I used one. Okay, 2 more products left. Should I go with the white one or the beige, the peachy one? I go with the peachy one. Bloom and Blossom. Oh my god, that's hard to read. Oh my god. I'm having a little trouble with that. Wonder Worker. Multitasking balm. Apply with clean fingers to skin that needs extra attention for external use only. Let me see what this smells like. Oh, that's a nice thick balm. Oh my god. Wow. It smells like lavender. It actually smells like lavender. Oh my god, that smells so good. A versatile, skill-loving wonder balm filled with a blend of nourishing ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin. Whether you're suffering from chapped lips, dry hands, or have a little one in need of extra soothing, this natural balm can help. So it's basically all in one. I love it. Oh, I'm definitely going to use it on my lips and my hands because they're dry. Nice. Then last but not least, we have the Fuzzy Beauty Coconut Water Cream. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. So it's all very like skincare based and cleaning your body and your face and everything. I don't mind it. It smells okay. It's not the best smell ever. It's not my favorite. Oh, so you either get the Fuzzy Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, a 10-pack, or you get the Coconut Water Cream. A lightweight, fast-absorbing facial moisturizer that will infuse your skin with electrolytes, amino acids, and phytonutrients to refresh your complexion and restore its radiant glow. There's no price. Like, I don't know how much any of this is worth. And like I said, there's no booklet. So I cannot give you additional information. I have no idea what the sneak peek for next month is. Yeah, but these are the products. What am I most excited for? Honestly, I think the liner and the hair mask. Then maybe also the mud serum and the rest. I mean, I like the brush, but it's a brush, you know, there's not, like, how should I say, like, I don't have very high expectations for a brush. I have a brush very similar to this, so I already know how it's going to work. And then the rest, like all the skincare thing, you know what I mean? So, let me know, what would you be most excited for? Yeah, so, anyway, I have a code in the info box for, I think, £5 off for a beauty box. You don't have to use it if you don't want to use it, you know, I'm not forcing you to use my code. If you don't want, then don't. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next one.